Have you ever looked up at the night sky and marveled at the sheer number of stars twinkling above? It's breathtaking, right? You can see millions of them, scattered like diamonds across a vast, dark canvas. But here's the thing that might surprise you. Even with all those stars, space is still incredibly dark. It's a paradox that has puzzled many of us, and today I want to dive into why that is. To get started, please take just 1 second to like this video. Your support encourages me to continue creating this content. First, let's think about what we're really seeing when we look up at the stars. Each one of those points of light is a massive ball of gas, burning bright and producing enormous amounts of energy. But here's the kicker. Space is mind-bogglingly vast. The distances between stars are so enormous that even though they're shining brightly, the light from most of them never reaches us. It's like trying to see a candle flickering miles away. The light just gets lost in the darkness. Now imagine standing on a beach at night, looking out at the ocean. You might see a few lights from boats far off in the distance, but the vast majority of the ocean is just dark water, right? That's similar to what we experience in space. Our eyes can only see a fraction of the light that's out there. The universe is so immense that even with billions of stars, most of the space around us remains unlit. Another reason space looks dark is that light spreads out as it travels. The further away you are from a light source, the dimmer it appears. This is known as the inverse square law of light. So, even if a star is incredibly bright, by the time its light reaches us, it's often too faint for our eyes to detect. And let's not forget about the cosmic dust and gas that permeate space. These particles can absorb and scatter light, further contributing to the overall darkness. Now, let's talk about something really interesting. The concept of cosmic expansion. The universe is expanding, and as it does, the light from distant galaxies and stars is stretched, shifting it toward the red end of the spectrum. This phenomenon is called redshift. So, the light that might have once been visible to us becomes invisible as it stretches beyond the range of our eyes. It's like trying to hear a sound that gets fainter and fainter until it's just a whisper, then nothing at all. And here's a fun fact. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old. That means that light from the farthest stars and galaxies has taken billions of years to reach us. Some of the light we see today started its journey when the universe was still in its infancy. So, when we look up, we're not just seeing stars, we're looking back in time. But again, that light is only a tiny fraction of what's out there. The rest is just dark. But wait, there's more. Have you ever heard of Olbers Paradox? It's a fascinating thought experiment that asks, if the universe is infinite and filled with stars, why isn't the night sky bright? The answer lies in the fact that the universe isn't static. It's dynamic and ever-changing. Stars are born, live their lives, and eventually die, often in spectacular explosions known as supernovae. Many stars have burned out long ago, their light no longer reaching us. The universe is also expanding, which means that the light from some stars is moving away from us faster than we can see it. So, when you look up at that starry sky, you're witnessing a snapshot of a universe that's constantly in flux. It's a beautiful reminder of both the vastness of space and the limits of our perception. The darkness of space isn't just an absence of light. It's a canvas painted with the stories of stars, galaxies, and cosmic events that have occurred over billions of years. You might be wondering, what does this mean for us? Well, it means that even in the darkness, there's so much more to explore and understand. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Each time we gaze at the stars, we're reminded of our place in this grand cosmic theater. So, the next time you find yourself under a starlit sky, take a moment to appreciate not just the shimmering lights, but also the vast dark spaces between them. It's a testament to the wonders of the universe and our insatiable curiosity to understand it. In the end, the darkness of space isn't something to fear. It's an invitation to explore, to question, and to seek out the light, both literally and metaphorically. So keep looking up, keep wondering, and remember that even in the darkest places, there's always a flicker of light waiting to be discovered. Thank you for exploring with us here at the Corner of Curiosity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content. As always, feel free to leave your curious questions and thoughts in the comments below. Until next time.